So today in the video we are discussing regarding the deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning and artificial intelligence. In deep learning it is based on the neural network. In machine learning it is going to learn with test cases which will be given, and in the artificial intelligence we are going to use some of the engineering methods for making intelligent machines and programs. When we come across the differences, the main classification of the artificial intelligence, machine learning and the deep learning, here we know that deep learning has several layers, that is made up of input layer, output layer and the hidden layer. Then when we come across the machine learning is used has a technique by which computer will be learning patterns from the data and making data driven prediction. And when we see the AI is enabling the computer or machines to mimic human intelligence. But in deep learning, what is the main difference is it is going to extract the pattern from the data which is being used from the deep neural network, and it is being classified into the three major layers. So let us discuss what is deep learning in a detail. Deep learning is a branch of machine learning as we discussed, and it is having three layers, that is the input layer, hidden layer and the output layer. In input layer the data is going to enter through the input layer, hidden layer which is going to process and transport the data to other layers, and similarly the output layer which will be used as a final result or a production for making the output layer. We have input layer, output layer and the hidden layer, which is being classified with a short example, that is face recognition, where in the hidden layer we are going to add face features, and in the input layer we are going to see the features of the contrast. Similarly in the hidden layer 2 we are going to add some of the faces which will be similar to the data patterns which are being added in the hidden layer 1, and finally the output is been given. Then we have the real-time application of a deep learning. The first one is the self-driving cars. So in today's cars, we know that there are many automotive cars which are being used, and how these deep learning algorithm are going to determine automatic vehicles. It is using some of the algorithms and the methods. Then we have chatbots. In the chatbot, we are going to see how they are going to have the ability to respond to the natural question and how they are going to give the desired result. Then we have the facial recognition based on the example we discussed already.